Add it to your CPD log view or edit this activity in your CPD log. Go to My CPD. Only APM members have access to CPD features. Become a member already added to CPD log view, or edit this activity in your CPD log. Go to My CPD. Add it to your saved content. Go to My saved content. Christina Bull is a partner at QSA Partners, a B Corp consultancy with a mission to help organizations implement circular economy business models. A project professional with a focus on sustainability, she currently advises clothing brands and retailers on how to become more sustainable. Project Journal editor Emma DeVita recently sat down with Christina for an episode of the APM podcast of the to find out about her work on sustainability. Below is an edited extract of their conversation. APM podcast, tell us about your project management career and how you've come to work in sustainability. Christina Bull: I was 2/3 of my way through becoming a lawyer in a large corporate firm and then just had an epiphany that I didn't want to become a lawyer. A job came up at an organization called WRAP, the Waste and Resources Action Program. I joined WRAP in a legal capacity, doing their contracts and things like that. The more I found out about the business, the more I realized that they were doing some incredible work to change the way businesses operate, and getting them to work collectively together on sustainability. There were reorganizations and I applied to be project manager, which seemed much more interesting than what I was doing before. Tell us more about the work you did at WRAP. The work I was doing was about bringing industries together. So I worked with the hospitality sector, bringing the whole sector together to make change collectively, and I then applied that approach to the construction industry. That meant getting the construction industry in its entirety, architects, designers, construction, builders, to improve the way in which they collectively do business so that everyone is working in the same direction, rather than an architect designing something that the builder can't build and th. The work was built around creating voluntary agreements, so setting targets for the industry and then collectively getting them to work together to reduce those impacts on a project, business, and then industry level. Once that first business stepped over the line and said, yes, we're going to do this, it became a bit of a domino effect, because everybody wanted to stay at the forefront of leading the change. How did you then shift from WRAP to where you are now? And could you give us an idea of some of the projects you've worked on? So I moved from WRAP and set up my own business doing project management within sustainability. For example, one of our clients is HS1, or High Speed 1. We wrote their sustainability strategy, which was very well received by industry. Off the back of that strategy development, they were invited to run workshops at COP26. So another arm of what we did was delivering their workshop at COP26. Lots of the other work we do is very much focused around implementing circular business models. I predominantly work with clothing brands or retailers. Can you tell us about Cotton Lives On? Cotton Lives On is a program that fits within the circular economy in that it repurposes cotton once it's not able to be repaired or resold. The project takes cotton clothing that's donated from either brands or consumers. Then it goes through processes and that product is turned into a roll mat, which is then donated to a charity or humanitarian project. I've been the program lead for that. Our client, Cotton Incorporated, approached us and said they wanted to launch the program. We had to look at whether it was viable and whether there was anything already happening in the UK. A lot of the work entailed doing research on other programs, interviewing brands to find out if this was something that they would be interested in, and going back to strategy. What are their strategic targets, and would this fit in as a project professional? How have you been able to transfer between? Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.